Hi. With Lightrun, your AI coding agent can finally ask questions about your live systems and get answers back by runtime evidence. Questions like, how many users are currently logged in? Is this cache key currently in use? And which branch of this function is actually executing in production? Now you could already ask these questions through the Lightrun MCP, but getting reliable answers depended on the agent knowing how to investigate the system correctly. And that's why we built the AskProd skill. AskProd gives coding agents a structured workflow for answering questions about production. It teaches them how to discover runtime sources, gather evidence from live systems, investigate when an answer isn't immediately available, and validate their findings before returning you an answer. In this example, we're asking how many agents and plugins are connected to the stress environment. Now the agent starts by reading the AskProd skill and discovering the available runtime sources. It identifies the stress environment and begins gathering the information from the running system. As it investigates, it discovers that some of the information it needs isn't directly available through the runtime source discovery tools. So it does what any good engineer would do. It reads the source code to determine which runtime values answer the question, and then places the snapshots to collect them from the live environment. When the first snapshots don't return the required values, the agent adjusts its instrumentation, retries the collection, and continues until it has the evidence it needs. And once the snapshots return, the agents assemble the answers from the live evidence. In this case, there are 200 connected app agents, 0 connected plugins, and 3 backend pods visible to Lightrun. There are no assumptions here, just a question about production and an answer proven with live runtime data. Because before an agent can fix a problem, validate a change, or investigate an issue, it first needs to understand what's happening right now. And that's AskProd. Download it today from Lightrun's AI GitHub repository and try it with your coding agent.